Hey guys, welcome to Hack Tech. In this video, you are going to learn how to check your phone hacked or not. Before that, for most of us, our phones are the very important thing in our daily life. No one can live without their mobile device because our phone contains personal information, sensitive data, social account details and bank account details. When our phone is being hacked, hacker is going to get all this information. In that time, our phone may face some problems. Let's check what those problems are. What are the symptoms that tell your phone is being hacked? First one is your battery drains fast. That means you're not using your phone but your battery is draining so fast. And next one is spam pop-ups. When you open an anonymous website, that website will say this website contain some cookies. To open a website, you will press OK, then it will show a notification that is allow notification. If you press allow, you are going to get these spam pop-ups. Unusual activity on your social accounts. That means someone is using your social accounts, doing something on your social accounts. Next one is high data usage. You didn't use your phone but your data is being used. Text you didn't send and your phone is hot when you didn't use. Spam calls and messages, password changes on your account. These are the main symptoms that tells your phone is being hacked. And next one is we're going to know what is the most common hacking technique to hack a mobile phone. Most common hacking technique to hack a mobile. Physically access to your device and install a spy app that acts like a malicious software that will track your location, photos, messages and call records, everything information you have on your mobile phone. This type of hacking is done by mostly your closed ones or friends or your enemies because they can easily physically access to your mobile device. They will just take your phone, install a spy app that acts like a malicious software. That's it. They are going to get everything information you have on your mobile phone. Next thing we're going to talk about is what are the other methods that can hack your mobile phone. These are the methods that can hack your phone easily. First one is anonymous messages. This is the common thing that happens in every mobile phone because getting someone phone number is very easy. Like if you go outside to take a Xerox of your Aadhaar card, that's it. That Xerox shop guy can easily get your Aadhaar card number. If hacker can get your number, he can easily send a anonymous link to your WhatsApp. Never open anonymous links because if you open that link, WhatsApp will show you a warning that don't open this link. And next one is never download document that shows you warning before downloading because that type of documents that contain malicious software that can hack your phone easily. Be careful with public charging because during public charging hackers can hack your phone through that USB cable that connected to your mobile phone. And last one is be careful with public Wi-Fi. Everyone will connect with public Wi-Fi and free Wi-Fi's. If your phone isn't protected by VPN and unsecured public Wi-Fi and hotspot, it's possible someone is spying on you. What to do to prevent our phone from being hacked? That means how to secure your mobile phone from being hacked. First one is always do security updates. That is the important thing because that will secure your mobile phone. And next one is check your applications and their permissions. If you found out that application is anonymous, search that application name on Google Chrome. You can get all information about that application. If that is anonymous, forcefully stop that applications. Always do security scan after you download any app or application. After taking all precautions, still your phone hacked, then what to do? There is only one thing you can do factory reset. Just open your mobile phone, go to settings, search reset, do factory reset. That will erase your all data on your mobile phone. So you can get out of being hacked. That's it guys. If you enjoy this video, want to hear from me again, to be sure to hit subscribe button before you go. Thank you.